All right, we're trying to figure out where we're putting the wing. Looking at pictures of Eliminators, because they came with a factory wing. 67 did not come with a wing, so custom engineering here. The quality, I got this from National Parts Depot, the quality seems to be really good. I painted it with Eastwood's Rat Rod Black, which is a satin black finish. Turned out fine, not a problem. The trunk itself, we cut it, we hit it with sandpaper, we hit it with 1,000, we hit it with 15, and then 3,000. Finish looks really, really good. Perfect? Not yet, but damn close. So we were looking at pictures, debating about how far back the wing is, what direction it was, almost put it on backwards. But somebody pointed it out to me. So I think we got it in the position what we want to do. We're going to mark the holes and drill them. And we're going to have to, underneath, we're going to have to custom create structure. Okay, because this was not designed for a wing, and it's going to get a wing come hell or high water. So whatever we have to do underneath to make it stable and sturdy, that's what we're going to do. So mark the holes. That's all I can figure. I'll get you something to do it. Oh, good. We are professional here.
What's it gonna hurt?
Quick interruption. Just wanted to say thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Cost you nothing, it means a great deal to us. We want to hear your comments, what you think we should do with the show, what needs improvement, or what new projects we should feature. So look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Let's get back to the action.
For the sun.
It looks fantastic.
Oh yeah, I mean, just one more polish.
Gosh. Can't beat that. I'm glad we picked it, how we did it, you know.
Oh yeah,
Sparkles.
I mean, one more polish, like you can see yourself in it.
Yeah.
You know, just
How much dust did you have to wipe off of it from the living room?
no. I'm seriously, it maybe an hour from sand to finish polishing.
Really?
It
Be good to get the doors on.
and considering how bad it looked when we started or whatever, I
Really?
mean, the trash will just, it's all on the top.
So-
It'll knock right out. Well, no, it's since we did the fuel injection.
How about the other one?
Yeah, Dad. Hey, Dad, these are gonna be perfect. We don't need all rod.
It's real simple to put on this weather stripping. It's a black 3M weather strip adhesive. You just put it down, put the weather stripping on it, tape it down, just hold it in place. We did this last night, so it's been drying overnight. So we're going to take off the tape and go put it on the car. I mean, it's not adjusted, but. Look at.
Depends on the wing.
Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Of course, doggies are always looking for dog food. I like it. All right, we're going for the first ride. Hit it.